We've all been there, a super dirty microwave and no time to clean it. Hey guys, Rachel Benham, and guess what? Today we're going to be talking about your microwave. Why is cleaning it so important? Stay tuned to find out this and see some awesome cleaning hacks. Did you know it is one of the dirtiest things in our homes and offices? We use the microwave to cook our food, but also to defrost meat. Raw meats carry bacteria like E. coli and salmonella. Sometimes the food splatters around the microwave and we don't always clean it. That's so gross! Who hates cleaning their microwave? Wait, you do? Today I'm gonna use my Norwex microfiber. This is our Norwex Enviro Scrub. It's got the scrubby side on one side. You can see mine is well loved. And then our Enviro cloth on the other. All right, let's see how dirty this is. Ooh, I don't think you would want to touch that and then put food into your mouth. Surprise! The microwave handle, that one right there. Think about that in your office. Somebody's eating like their bags of chips, licks their fingers, goes to grab their lunch out. So much yuck. There's all sorts of sauce that has splattered. It is really looking super dirty in there. Let's clean this up. By the way, I want you to know I suffered for 2 weeks to make this video because I clean my microwave every single day. I cooked everything uncovered for 2 weeks. I'm using a Norwex Enviro Scrub wet with just water. It is so easy. Just water and the Enviro Scrub. Use the scrubby side to get the hard stuff off first, and then use the Enviro cloth to gently wipe everything away. Did you know Norwex microfiber has the ability to remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when following the proper care and use instructions? So if you've been sitting there wondering, how do I make this easier? Hello, this is it. Norwex and water. It's so easy. Don't forget to wipe down all areas of your microwave. The inside, the outside, the keypad, everything. Especially be sure you wipe down that handle. Ugh. My favorite hack for your microwaves in those shared workspaces, carabiner and our travel Enviro cloth. Here you can clip it on to your lunchbox, and then all you have to do is just get this damp and just wipe stuff down. Silicone lids, you just toss them onto something, you can cover it. It's awesome. We just did that, cleaned our microwave less than 5 minutes. All right, have a great day guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click subscribe right now. Now we cleaned up our microwave. Do, 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 do.